Hello, and welcome back to the summer series of how to ground and be with your body. This is part 4, and I want you to reflect on when in your life or recently has your body distracted you? Meaning, when has maybe your health really took a turn and your body didn't show up and you felt like it was bad, and you feel like you're trapped in your body and you don't like it and you want out. And the hardest part is you can't do that. You can't leave your body yet. Not if you're watching this. When has your body really distracted you from feeling like you? And that's a hard consideration because sometimes we don't like to think about the things that hurt us. But I want you to think about, is there a lesson that you learned from that? Or what could a lesson be? And then what is a positive outcome from that distraction? I say distraction because sometimes we think about what was something really negative and we just wish it didn't happen. I say distraction meaning, okay, you had a heart attack. That was horrible. And I'm not invalidating that experience. But let's name it as a distraction. It really got you off course. Now, I don't mean to reduce the severity of a really traumatic event, but I'm just using a different word. I'm putting in a different framework. You don't have to do that if it's something too traumatic, or it was very traumatic, and it still is very traumatic. I can share, I went through a lot of infertility, and there's a lot of lessons you can learn from that. There's a lot of positive outcomes from it. I don't know if I could have said that when I was in it. If you're navigating something really difficult, it might not be the time to do this lesson, but it's something maybe that you have been through and you have overcome and you're able to talk about it. But maybe you're at the breaking point where you're like, man, I haven't even really thought about this as a distraction. I just saw it as something I never wanted to think about again. What happens when you think about it? Are you able to regulate? Or are you able to cope with that maybe painful memory? And maybe think about what lessons you can learn from it. And is there a positive outcome? What would that be? We call this one finding positive intent, or learning from the really hard lessons. It's a hard one sometimes. And it's not to numb it out or suppress it, but to have a discussion safely about it. Let me know how that goes. Leave a comment and stay tuned for part 5 in our summer series of summer body grounding for yourself to yourself. Stay tuned.